Hi, this is Eric Stromquist at IBcon 213. I'm here with Alpert from BAS Service and Graphics. Alpert, thanks for taking a minute to talk to us.
Yeah, no problem.
Great. Well, so, one of the big things we've been hearing for a while now is that, big data. Getting big data, being able to see it in a way that you can understand it, and being able to use it to do things like analytics. And you're kind of right at the heart of that. Tell our listeners a little bit about what you guys do.
We are a 3D OEM under Enercase brand, and we write applications on top of Niagara Framework. The application that we write is called BAS Maker Graphical Modules. We are also a SkySpark distributor. In the BAS Maker modules, we added the haystack tags, and we automatically generate the SkySpark database with another application called Project Builder Plus. And on top of that, we have templating system right inside Niagara. And on top of that, we have a dashboard called Energy DVR, where we mash up the two technologies together.
Now, you just said a whole lot, Alpert, so I want to break it down for some of our users a little bit. Okay, so if you guys have been following Control Trends, Haystack is a tagging convention. It's like the latest thing. Go to Control Trends and learn about that. And what tagging basically does is it makes it easier to take the data from point A to point B to point C to point D instead of having to do clicking. I mean, people do it now typically by linking the data up, which is very, very time consuming for the integrators, right?
That is correct.
Yeah. And so you guys, the fact that you guys have included the haystack tagging in already is a big, big piece.
That is correct. It's right now inside the graphical modules. So when you build your graphics, you basically completed your SkySpark database creation process.
Okay, and for you guys who might not know, SkySpark is an analytics software that basically takes those data points and allows you to create rules, and we've heard from several different people, detect faults instead of just alarming. So I tell you what, Alpert, you got a minute? Would you be wanting to show our listeners a little bit about what you guys have?
Absolutely. So I would like to demonstrate our modules called BAS Maker and BAS Templating System. So what you see is inside Niagara, this is a templating system that automatically creates the PX pages. When it creates the pages, it automatically creates it for iPhone, iPad, and Android pages. If you can demonstrate here, you can actually see Workbench, iPad, iPhone, and Android pages. The other feature that we have added into the graphical components is that we added the haystack tags right inside the widgets. This way we can actually automatically import the data from the Niagara stations and put it into another application called Project Builder Plus. In order to illustrate, I will delete the existing points that are in the system, and we will redo this. So what we can do is, with this application, is we can automatically import the haystack information that's created in the PX pages into Project Builder Plus. So right now what it has done is it has imported the points right from Niagara PX pages, and we can see the widget names. And based on the system, what we can do is we can change the display names with Display Name Handler. We can go into the system and change the display names. So basically, we have two air handling units with fans in it, and we have all the markers and the OBXSys paths automatically created. Another application that we have built is the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, what we have is the PX pages are rendered inside the Flash interface automatically, and you can actually play back the information of the system right from here. And you can speed the playback as well and slow it down. On top of that, you can actually look at the SkySpark information as well. So we can actually look at the data from the SkySpark at that given time. So you can switch in between the JACE and the SkySpark. The other app is basically a historian. This page is served from Niagara, but it is getting the data from SkySpark. You can drag and drop points, and that will basically show you the last year information in a daily view. The last application is a Sparko Bridge for SkySpark. And in that application, what we have is a bridge inside SkySpark to Kayako ticket management system. And in this case, you can actually map your rules to departments, and it sends those to the ticket management system called Kayako. In this application, you can surrender, you can dispatch the tickets, you can follow up, you can add billing information, and you can look at the audit log of what is happening and what you have done for the sparks that are generated from SkySpark. These are all the applications that we have done. Please visit our website, bassg.com, for more information.